What's up guys, it's Curly Misfit. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be the long awaited wash day video that I told you guys I was going to be doing for you guys like forever ago, but I just ran out of the stuff that I needed, and now I'm super excited to film this video and get it out to you guys because literally it changed the hair game for me. Like the low porosity chicks, like I always got your back in my videos. This one is for you. Like, it literally changed my hair. This is my hair without any product in it after my wash day. I will say I do my wash days like probably 3 times a month. Just depends like how much product I'm using, how good I'm taking care of my hair. Am I wearing my scarf? Am I building up a lot of product on my hair because I'm not doing it? Am I using a lot of gel for different looks? Things like that. Just depends on how well I take care of my hair pretty much. But today's video, like I said, is the wash day. And like everybody should do this. Well, I'm saying like everybody should at least wash their hair. But if you guys want to see how I get these poppin' curls, define, moisturize, shiny curls, stay tuned. So getting right into the video, we are going to be doing, I'm going to be doing the ACV rinse, and I am telling you everything that I am listing to you guys or telling you guys in this video. I promise you it has really changed the hair game. Like, my hair has never been better when I take care of it. And as you guys know, Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother is a really good apple cider vinegar to thoroughly clarify and rinse your hair out of all that product buildup, and that's the goal on my wash days. So I'm going to start with my apple cider vinegar, which I just had to buy some more because I use this stuff for literally everything. And then you're going to mix it with 2/3 water, so 2/3 part water, 2/3 part apple cider vinegar. Okay, so now I've mixed my concoction together. Go ahead and shake it up. If you're going to be going somewhere for the day, just make sure you give yourself time. And don't wear anything that you're going to wear for the day when you do this because you're going to smell like feet. And you're going to stink. Ew. Yeah, my hair's doing whatever right now, but we're gonna go ahead and you're gonna spray this on your roots, but you're gonna want to saturate your hair to fully cleanse it. So I'm gonna start by just saturating my entire head with this apple cider vinegar rinse. So it may not seem like my hair is like, oh my gosh, that was really a workout for my wrist. Like my wrist is aching from pumping the little squeeze bottle so much. I typically like fill it up all the way to the top and use like all of the mixture in there for this because you want to really saturate your hair, get your roots good, and then saturate your hair as well. It may not look like my hair is like completely saturated, but it definitely is. Like from top to bottom is saturated in this stinky mixture. What you're going to do next, we are going to put on our shower cap and we're going to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, just depending on how much time you got, because right now I'm running a little low on time. So we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes and then we're going to go into the next step on my wash day. You might want to keep the towel with you if your hair is still dripping like it should be because you saturated your hair with the apple cider vinegar mixture. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I live in Colorado. There's no air in here. Out there, and I had to like run up the stairs because I left my soap in my car. But the next step that we're going to get into, I'm going to be using my shampoo of choice that I really like for clarifying my hair and getting all of that product out, which is, like I said, the entire goal of my wash day. So I prefer to use the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Peppermint Castile soap. I believe that's how you say that. You can use this stuff for so many different uses. I literally use it for everything. It's my favorite. I prefer to use a peppermint because peppermint oil is really good for cleansing as well. And then it leaves your head kind of tingly and all that good stuff, And then the next ingredient that I'm going to be using is something that you should already have in your home. If you don't, get some. You can use this stuff for legit everything. Like I'm telling you guys, I use stuff around my house for everything, which is why I run out so fast. But I'm going to be using baking soda to also cleanse my hair as well and get all of that product out. Now for this, you can get like a wide tooth comb to kind of section your hair out, but honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect, so I don't really care. But if I were in the shower, I would have the water running on my head. I kind of always start by parting it in the middle. And I literally just take a couple drops onto my scalp directly. And I can already feel it tingling. And then I'm going to look in the mirror here. I literally just sprinkle baking soda onto my scalp into whatever section. And then I'll kind of section it off in a different section and do the same steps until I kind of get it all over my head. And it's super cold because it was sitting in my car, so I'm just like, crap. And then after that, I actually go in with the water, suds everything up, and wash everything out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that step right now. So now we're going to go into the moisturization, and then I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like after my wash day with no product in my hair at all. It literally makes the biggest difference in the world, like I'm telling you guys. My deep conditioning is a crucial step in my wash day. It's what leaves my hair very moisturized after getting all of that product buildup out of my hair, leaving my hair bouncy. Like my curls can form themselves and they're defined themselves. They're super, super, super soft, just moisturized, and it just, your hair is overall healthy. The conditioner that I'm using, which is so gross right now because it's got hair all over it. Of course, you guys know that ORS replenishing conditioner. This has been my go-to conditioner since I was little. My mom always used it on my hair, and it's literally amazing. And honey, even though there's definitely, I don't know if there's going to be enough honey in here. I'll probably have to like drain it down to the bottom. But honey has changed your girl's hair game. When I tell you guys, my hair is so much softer because I tend to make my videos based off of low porosity hair. So like I said, low porosity hair, it loves to be cleansed because product buildup occurs very frequently, and it loves humectants. So that's why I'm going to be using honey. So I start by taking a really good amount, and I'll section my hair off into 4 sections and coat it from the very top of my head to the bottom and kind of start to finger detangle that, leave-in conditioner, or not leave-in conditioner, but deep conditioner into my hair. And then I literally just go in with my honey. And I take a decent amount, but not too much because honey is honey. So with heat, it will melt while it's, you know, you're sitting in your shower cap and you don't want to be dripping everywhere. Literally, like, just smooth that through my hands, even though I have hair all over my hands, so the honey is like collecting it. Eee, but that's okay. And I literally just coat my hair in it. But yeah, I always just put my bonnet on because it's just another way to capture in as much heat as possible to just better penetrate and deep condition my hair. But I'm going to leave this in for 3 minutes, rinse it out, show you guys the end results, and that's pretty much it for my wash day. So I just rinsed out my conditioner and my honey little concoction or whatever, and as you guys can see, as you guys can see, my hair is very moisturized. I have lots of shine in it. This is just me rinsing my hair out. Like, I didn't brush it out, I didn't comb it out, I literally just rinsed the product out of my hair, and the curls kind of define themselves. They're very moisturized. When they dry, they're extremely fluffy and they're extremely soft. So I'm going to let my hair air dry completely. I don't put anything in my hair other than maybe like a drop of almond oil. And that's really it. When it comes to my wash days, I kind of just let my hair kind of breathe, let it chill since it's had so much product buildup. And I let it do its thing. So like I said, I am cold. I'm gonna go let my hair air dry, and I will show you guys the end results with no products, just a little bit of almond oil in my hair. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is the end result of my curls. This is actually, I didn't even put the almond oil in there. I totally forgot to do that step. But this is what my curls are looking like. No product. Fresh out of my wash day. Because you know I do what I gotta do. And they're super, super, super soft. I'll say like the back of my hair, like my hair is like 90% dry except for the back of it, but that really won't make a difference in the way that my curls are defined right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers, guys. If you share this video, like the video, comment on the video, like do whatever you gotta do, I'd really appreciate it because we are getting up there. And then I noticed like my views are just like bumping up a little bit too. I'm gonna do a better job of uploading for you guys. I was just super, super pumped to do this wash day video, and then I ran out of apple cider vinegar, and then I was like really depressed, and then I ran out of my Castile soap, so I was like, I guess I just need to get everything. But like I said, don't forget to share your feedback, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.